As I said yesterday, I haven't had the time to actually clean my room. And, well, this is what it looks like right now. It's pretty gross. Embarrassing. And today I'm gonna clean that, and away we go. I think I've learned my lesson. Don't be such a nothing pig. But the good thing is, I can actually breathe in my room now. So that right there took an hour to do. And now it's past my bedtime. A question. Do you share your room with somebody? Or do you have your own? Happy birthday to Bianca. I'll see everybody tomorrow.